Yo, what's up, guys? This is gonna be my first video today, and we're gonna put some coilovers on the G37. I'm gonna go pick them out. There's gonna be some D2 racing. The T37s, the forage. The shop, Savannah Auto Works. Yeah. Some more TEs. The Rays. Toyo Proxies on them. These are bad. So you got some meat on these. Look at the 740i. This shit clean. That's like lip to fender. See, I want something like that, but man's about to be escaping everywhere. And look, I want something like this. You know, this is clean. This shit is clean. Look. So first, you gotta take out the lug nuts. I'm already kind of out. This one's out. That one's out, and then this side is out. One of these are out. Oh shit. I got strength. But yeah. Then we're gonna have to take these off after. Inside. Look at that. Fucking line. But yeah, so I'm gonna use some fucking jack stand. Let's see. That's already pretty much almost fucking done. But yeah, this is gonna be me and my dad doing this, and fuck, man, I had to go to AutoZone, buy some supplies that I thought I already had. But yeah, and I'll keep you guys updated with the step-by-step how to do it. All right, so the rim is off. You gotta remove this bolt right here from this side of the end link to the sway bar. Because if you take this one off from this side first, this is gonna snap right here. So you gotta remove this side. Alright, so update. The strut is out. And pretty much the way to do it, remove this piece right here. This bolt was a bit. Yo, so I have the rear side already. Pretty much about to be done taking it off. Just put some WD-40 on these 12mm nuts. And yeah, so I already removed the spring bucket too. It's right here, just attached to this part of the arm. And let me see, this was a 15mm socket right here. And this part is, let me see, get some light. Get some light. What size is this? Oh shit, you can't even see, can you? Let's see, it's kind of dirty. I think it's like a 19. This should be a 19 right here. I'm not sure. So the finished product in the rear. I need some spacers, that's for sure. There's no fucking wheel gap no more. Let's see the fucking, that's just up, nigga. Ooh. Yeah, I need some spacers though. I need some, wait, hold on, let me focus this shit. I need some spacers. My car got dirty as fuck, look. And then I just gotta adjust the front, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I just wanted to see how it looked at first. So yeah, they're in there. Yeah, the front is like, the back is just slammed the fuck down. I think it was still adjustable. So this, let me see, about a hand, about a hand and a finger in there. It goes. Yep. Follow the Insta, even though it's just dirty as fuck. Follow it, and Here are the fucking springs. And here are the rear shocks. So it's still good. Still good. Yeah, and they're the D2 high performance suspension kit. A little dampening set. And yeah, and the brackets. The book. And that's it. Oh, just removing the springs. Alright guys, so I ended up fixing up the height, adjusted. It's good. Front. Good. We got clearance. We're gonna get a wash now. So a little big ass wash. Okay guys, so this is the finished product right here. And hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment for next car mod to do on the G37.